Alright, you can see the sample of a special canvas, and I made it with a solid wood block. You can see on the other side also the wood. Okay, so solid wood block, and I just did the painting on the top, and this is the clouds in the sky. Now I'm going to the extensive drawings, and I'm going to draw the tall trees which is seen in the sky, and the clouds are just coming through from the branches of that tree. Let's start the drawing. I'm taking a brush and putting a longer strokes. You can see, so it's coming up at the bottom. All right. Up to the end. Okay. All right. This is the main part of the tree, and I can see the other part here, the another tree. Let's draw it from the top. So the second one in a far distance, and the other one is like a very smaller portion can be seen because it's like a progression to the distance. So it's only a little bit you can see. All right. Now we're going to put the branches like these strokes, few branches here like this. All right, another one on the top. Here also we're putting the branches like a radial distributions. All right, so let's see the branches. Main portions are of darker color. Okay. And we can see the other branches for these trees here. Okay. And you know the details, just draw something like this. According to the main branch, just put the distributions of the taller leaves, which is going to looking very good. Awesome. Okay, again I'm taking the color, drawing the main trunk, then putting the distributions of the leaves to the outer directions. So this is the details you need to draw with your brush strokes. All right, maybe let's rotate the canvas a little bit. for the convenience, then I'm going to draw. Okay, all right. The trees and the leaves looks like nice combinations. So all the leaves are looking good. Okay, other one you can see here I'm drawing right now. Okay, so one tree is done, then we are moving for the next one. Just draw the branches like the previous one. Few details. So the leaves are radially distributed to the outward. You can see here from the drawing, and which is amazing. It has some textures. Sometimes you can see the darkness, sometimes you can see the lights from the perforated sections. Okay, another one is radially distributed from the branches here. It's going to be almost complete, but after that one we have a little bit on the corner on the left side. Let's take the color again. Okay, then the last one I'm going to put the colors. Okay, all right, another tree. You can see the distributions like this. So these three are the details of the trees. Maybe another branch we're going to put here. All right, so the more we work on it, the more the drawing is going to be nice. Maybe another one in the middle. Okay, you can see another one here. Okay, all right, so it looks almost nice, and if you like you can put the birds on the sky, maybe flying here. Some birds you can see flying up here. Awesome. Okay, so it's like a clear picture, and the trees are visible on a sunny bright day. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the video, and please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thank you so much. Have a good day.